Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove radio from Honda Fit, full guide. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts and airbag issues while you work. Use plastic trim tools to carefully pry dash panels without scratching surfaces and keep screws in a labeled container. Remove the lower dash panels to access the radio mounting bolts and free any retained clips gently so plastic tabs do not break. With panels off, gently pry the bezel away from the dash using trim tools and steady pressure to avoid broken tabs. Keep a soft cloth under tools to protect painted trim while you work and remove visible screws holding the radio cage. Slide the radio forward carefully once bolts are removed, supporting it with both hands to prevent dropping, and inspect behind the unit for adhesive or hidden clips before pulling fully free. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this practical how-to, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. On another note, I recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth as a useful read about money and making smarter choices when budgeting for car projects. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Once the unit is loose, reach behind and press each wiring connector release while pulling connectors straight out to prevent bent pins. Remove the antenna cable by holding its base and pulling gently, and note the orientation of any adapters or junctions for reinstall. If your radio has integrated harness clips, unclip them from the brackets and set everything aside in a labeled bag so reinstallation is fast and error-free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.